हेलो एवरीवन,
हाय,
दिस इज शिंजन।
दिस इज देवांजलि।
वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। और आज है शुभ महानवमी एंड आज भी हम लोग जा रहे हैं एज यूजुअल एकदम हमारे नवमी लुक में, जो कि मैंने जो आज पहना है ये पूरा देवांजलि ने अपने साड़ी के साथ मैच करके उसने खुद मुझे एक सरप्राइज आज दिया है।
Actually, I love black. You all know that, but he doesn't wear too much of black, so I made sure
It's not that I don't like black, it's just that I don't wear that much, black color. तो anyway, देवांजलि के साड़ी के साथ मैच करके आज हमको एक
पहनाया गया
ब्लैक कुर्ता पहनाया गया है। एंड प्लीज़ देवांजलि ने कैमरे को पकड़ के रखा है, सो शी इज़ रियली हैंडलिंग द कैमरा वेरी बैड। तो एनीवे, तो प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी फॉर दैट।
Yes, forgive me for that.
सो एनीवे, तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मैरियट, क्योंकि आज होपफुली हम लोग का लास्ट लंच आउटिंग होगा। क्योंकि कल अगेन सैड पार्ट, क्योंकि कल से फिर से हम लोगों का वेटिंग चालू हो जाएगा।
चलो जाओ बादी के।
कल से फिर से अब दोबारा नेक्स्ट ईयर का वेटिंग चालू हो जाएगा, बिकॉज टुमारो इज़ द लास्ट डे ऑफ दुर्गा पूजा। आज नवमी लंच के लिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं। वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स JW मैरियट एंड नाउ आई विल बी ड्राइविंग सेफ। तो वहाँ पे पहुँच के फिर से आप लोगों के साथ मुलाकात होगा। हेलो एवरीवन, सो वी आर हियर। अभी पहुंच गए हैं हम लोग मैरियट। आपको बैकग्राउंड देख के पता चल चुका है। तो बफे इज़ कम्प्लीटली सोल्ड आउट, तो बफे नहीं मिलने वाला है। तो वी आर गोइंग टू विंटेज एशिया। वी आर रियली होपफुल दैट वी गेट अ टेबल ओवर देयर। सो बफे इज़ कम्प्लीटली सोल्ड आउट एवरीवेयर। So we just checked in, so we don't have any other option. We'll have to go for a la carte. Vintage Asia, and really fingers crossed, we are really hopeful that we get a table over there. See, that's the buffet area. You can see the crowd there. It's overcrowded, so we didn't get a table, and now we are hopeful. Devanjali has went to the desk. Devanjali went to the desk to check if any table is available for a la carte, because buffet is completely sold out. And we have checked ITC Royal Bengal also, their buffet is already sold out. Because it's Navami, we were expecting something like that, and let's see what happens now. So we got a table. We didn't have reservation, so we got a table. We'll have to wait for 15-20 minutes. And this is Vintage Asia. You around, this is the bar counter, which is of no use for me. This is the sitting area inside Vintage Asia. So anyway, this is Devanjali. Yes, we will be waiting here, but I'll set up my camera. We'll take few shots of Devanjali now. So we'll do a little photo shoot, and when we get a table, then I'll get back. लोग तो पहुंच गए हैं अंदर, एंड वी गॉट अ टेबल ऑल्सो। नाउ Devanjali has got the menu card. She is like choosing what to have and all. She is just shortlisting the menu. The ambience is very good. The AC is chill, and I don't know, food will also be very good after all. So definitely we'll give a review of the how is the food and all, and what we have ordered definitely have to show you. But let us just first কি চুজ করলেন?
I'll go for, of course, some sort of rice, because I know you want rice instead of noodles. Same here. And now I'm choosing a good side dish, main course.
Yes, in fact, it is good in a way that we are not going for buffet today, because consecutively, 4 days of continuous buffet, so our stomach also needs some rest.
Yeah, stomach.
So it is better that we are
go for light lunch and just enjoy the time together.
So shortlist the menu first, okay? So let her decide what to have and not, then we'll again come back.
I ordered something that I never had before, but it is one of your favorite.
What?
Pork.
Okay.
So for main course, I ordered a Hunan style pork. So even though I do not like even though while having, if I supposedly say say if I don't like pork, I'll just have the rice because it has. So I ordered a barbecue chicken yong chow fried rice, which is supposed to be a specialty over here. Because one garlic fried rice I'd had before, and fried rice options were only 2, and the rest were noodles and pad thai and steamed rice options. So just one fried rice and one, pork gravy. Let's keep it simple, and let's give our stomach and digestive system and liver some rest, I believe.
So the food is here, and what you have ordered?
Ordered this yong chow fried rice with barbecue chicken.
This is yong
Yong chow.
yong chow fried rice with barbecue chicken. And this is my favorite, Hunan style spicy pork. This is spicy pork. So anyway, this video is not for the vegetarians. So please, vegetarians, you can stop watching this video because if it's making you feel uncomfortable, because this is chicken, this is pork. So we'll have it, and then definitely it looks delicious, and I'm sure it will taste good as well. So let's get it served. So I'm already hungry, food देख के मेरा भूख और भी ज़्यादा आ गया है. तो I'm calling them because अभी सर्व करने को मना किया था क्योंकि पहले आप लोगों को वीडियो शूट करके दिखाना था. तो now that it is done, I will call them to serve. Yummy.
Yeah, smells really good.
Of course it should. It should. It better smell good. Anyway. So I want to, see your reaction,
Just
when
one
you first.
piece and some veggies.
So for the first time, Devanjali will try pork, and I want to record her reaction, Yeah, of course. Thank you. I want to record your reaction. I'm sure you will love it. Soft?
Soft. Surprising. Looks like chicken.
Have it. And from this day, Devanjali has officially started, having pork.
Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken. So you liked it?
Yeah. And the moment I tasted that fat, little bit of fat is there. Chicken does not have that fat. But the amazing part is the rice. I like the rice. I don't know if you will like it, but
Of course I will like it.
Start.
Yes. We'll have the rice. Beautiful. I love the rice. And here's my favorite pork. Lovely. Check out the pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is pixart_Shinjan, and the food is awesome. Bon appetit. Delicious, isn't it? Perfect. Excellent dish it is. Every penny worth it. Trust me.
The two are going really good with each other.
Yes. Both the dishes are complementing each other. The pork has a really spicy tinge on it, and
The
this.
rice is really like smoky.
Yeah, the rice is smoky and saucy, kind of. So beautiful.
Yes. Great.
So the food is awesome.
Let's stop recording and concentrate on having the food and enjoying it, okay? I'll get back when I'm done.
So finally, we had our lunch in Marriott Vintage Asia. Food was very good. You know, exceptionally good. Pork was so fresh, so soft. I loved it. Devanjali tasted, for the first time pork. She loved it, and the rice was amazing. So we definitely recommend Vintage Asia, of course. You know, if you want to have fresh food and out of the box, you know, sometimes if you're not liking, you know, to have any buffet kind of thing, definitely Vintage Asia is for you. So anyway, thank you so much for watching our video. Please do subscribe our channel. That will be a big support. See you very soon in our next video.